Gwen from Champions has foundation worries.
Yeah, she's noticed some growing cracks, Tom. Gwen writes, there's also a brick separation in the exterior and a crack on the wall over the entrance into one of the rooms in the front of the house. I've read a little bit about foundation repairs, and I found there are a lot of different methods. So, Tom, she wonders which foundation repair method would be right for her.
You know, there's a lot of different methods. And if they're done really well, you can get success. I'm not going to say there's only one out there and there's all the rest are bad and terrible. But one of my favorite, and I can approach the answer this way, is a pile-driven system. And the one reason I like that over the others is two things. Number one, it tests the soil. So when it reaches the certain soil that needs to reach, then it starts to lift the house, and that's what you want. The other ones, it's a guessing game. Do they go down 10 feet? Do they go down 12 feet? They go down and they just guess. The other thing is with the press pile system, it measures the load at that point. So some of the foundation piles will go down deeper than others because it has more load on that point. So it kind of self-engineers it was what it does. So, Ultra Pile system with Due West, one of our certified home show pros, is a system I trust a lot. And if I was going to go through this as I call a civilian and not Tom Tynan in home improvements, I would say talk to a lot of people, but please include Due West as one of your phone calls, and then you'll make the right decision. But I really do like the press piled system.
Well, the advantage that Due West has, Tom, as I remember, they have a hole down the middle so they can jet to make sure they go as deep as possible. They're not going to hit some subsurface that'll stop them from going further, as far down as they need to go. And of course, they practically invented the press pile system. So they're the...
Actually, they didn't invent it. Gene Wilcox invented it. Okay. They invented the method of doing it. The engineer couldn't figure out how to get the piles in the ground.
Is that right?
So they got Elmer and Jim,
yeah.
And he said, I got this great system, but I don't know how to do it.
All right.
They learned how to do it. So it was a team. There's no doubt about it.
And changed the industry while they did it, too.
Oh, big time. And about the water injection, that's not necessarily needed all the time. Right. But when we get into those heavy drought years, that is a super advantage when we're in those drought years. And once in a while, we hit them, and foundations go loopy when we have all those droughts.
Okay. Well, don't go all loopy, because there's no drought when it comes to home improvement answers. All you got to do is visit HomeShowRadio.com. How's that for a segue today? Anyway, go to HomeShowRadio.com, fill out that Ask Tom form, send it in, and we'll answer it in a video just like this. We post them every day on our website, on our YouTube channel, and our Facebook. If you haven't, by the way, followed and liked or whatever it is you do on Facebook, wish you would.